Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out a mesh bimini top by Xomzema. Let's go check it out. A big thank you to Xomzema for providing the product for this video. This American flag bimini top comes with everything that you need to install it. It has a storage bag for when you're not using it, all the mounting hardware and an Allen wrench, and a variety of different bungee cords, some long, some short, some with metal clips on them. Here's a quick look at the different places you're going to be mounting the hardware. They all use OEM bolts apart from the two rearmost mounting points, and the same positions on the other side. You'll be using a TP45 Torx bit. All you need to do is remove the existing OEM bolt, slide the mounting hardware underneath, put the bolt through the hole, and tighten it down. Move to the next one and go through the same process. And then the same with the third one. And for the last one on this side, you're going to use a size 6 Allen wrench, or the included Allen wrench that came with the kit. And now you're going to repeat that same process on the other side. Remove the bolt, add the hardware, put the bolt in the hole and tighten it down. These silver bolts are not OEM and not normally in these holes. I had just screwed them in when showing where the mounting points were. This just gives a quick look so you can see where we mounted all the hardware. And the same down the other side. Consider pausing the video so you can see where all the bungees go. The bungees are easy to install. Pinch the end and feed it through from the bottom. Same goes for whether it's a short bungee or a long bungee. Here I started on the front driver side, but you can start wherever you want. As you install the mesh, these bungees do get quite tight, so you may have to readjust them as you go around the Bronco. You may have to loosen one so you can stretch it, but just take your time and you'll get it installed. And now, starting from the front passenger side, I'm working my way backwards. The ones across the rear are the very long ones. You pull them all the way around the roll bar and then tie them back onto the ball underneath. And repeat that process for all 6 long ones across the back. And finally, there are 2 clips in the middle at the front that you just need to attach. As you can see, it's incredibly tight across the top. Here's a view from the underside so you can see just how much light you're still getting through it. This is what it looks like with the soft top in the halfway back position. And here's what it looks like with the soft top all the way up. You may have to adjust the position of a bungee just slightly. The latch is closed just fine, and there's no interference between the mesh and the soft top. Again, from the soft top just rolling round, you can see that it's fully tightened down. As you can see, a very easy installation. You just screw in the mounting attachments and then put the mesh top on. It's got lots of mounting points, so it doesn't flap around in the wind. It does make a little bit of noise, but that's because you're open to the air and it's a mesh, but nothing that I wasn't expecting anyway. Tell me what you think in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.